guys, welcome to my complete beginner core workout. For this workout, all you'll need is a mat and a couple of dumbbells handy. You can also use a kettlebell if you have that available. Now in terms of weight, you want one weight that's pretty light, between 5 and 10 pounds, and another weight that's as probably close to your heaviest weight that you have available at home. So between 25 to 30 pounds is good. If you don't have anything that heavy, just stick with a lighter weight and I'll show you how to do the exercise regardless of what you have available. So let's get started on our mat. We're going to start with a dead bug exercise. Now for this exercise, you're going to have your knees over your hips and your back flat into the floor. Your hands will start over your shoulders. To complete this exercise, you're just going to tap one heel on the ground, keeping that back flat into the ground. You're going to bring that foot back to match the other one and then switch sides. To add intensity, you can hold your weight overhead. So let's begin this exercise starting with 8 repetitions per set. I'm going to go ahead and grab my weight to intensify the exercise. I'm holding that weight right over the shoulders here. Dropping one foot, bringing it back, and then switching sides. Making sure my lower back stays flat into the floor. Now if you need an extra challenge, instead of just tapping the heel, you can extend the leg fully straight, keeping that back flat. Keep working. We're going to try about 8 on each here. We're halfway through. Bring your weight down and come on up. We're going to relax about 15 to 20 seconds here before completing one more set of the dead bug exercise. Let's go ahead and get started on that second set. Remember, if you don't have a weight to hold on to, that's okay. Just keep the hands over top of the shoulders. Almost there. And bring that weight down and come back up to sitting. The next exercise we're going to do is going to be with your kettlebell or whatever weight you have available. And we're going to go into a one-arm march to train the obliques. So for this exercise, you're going to have your weight in one hand. You have a straight line from head to toe, other arm out, and you're just going to march, thinking about keeping that back straight. Now, because we have this offset loading, you should feel this in your alternate oblique. We're going to try 15 steps on each side, 30 in total, before switching to the other side. With this one, make sure you keep good posture and your shoulders back. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and switch hands and complete the same thing on the other side. Aim to keep that back straight and spine neutral. All right, let's place that weight down. We're gonna rest about 15 to 20 seconds, and then we're gonna do another set on each side there. Let's go ahead and start that next set. Keeping that shoulder back and down, marching with that offset loading. Keep a little tension through that core. Make sure to brace. And let's go ahead and switch sides. Go ahead and place that weight down, and we're going to transition into a bird dog exercise. For this exercise, we're going to come on hands and knees with our ribs pressed in and our back flat. Keeping a nice square position through both sides, we're going to extend one leg back, opposite arm up. Hold for 1 count, and then switch sides. We're going to try 8 repetitions on each side, so let's go ahead and get started. Make sure to keep that back straight here, hips in alignment. You want to focus on pressing that leg back behind you versus up to the ceiling. Almost done. Let's go ahead and relax, and we're going to do one more set, completing 8 repetitions on each side. Let's go ahead and get started. Back is straight here, hips square. All right, great work. To finish today out, we're just going to do one stretch. We're going to go into that half kneeling position, head and shoulders right over top of that bottom knee. Glute tight and feel that stretch in the hip flexor. Let's go ahead and switch sides. And that completes our beginner core workout. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much.